So what I want you to do is I want you to create a new file and call it access underscore tuple underscore elements dot py. So we have created this file, and what I will just do is I will just copy this names variable right here and I'll paste it in. Now I will also copy the index which I had written there just so you have a visual representation. Now we have this variable names and it is assigned to a tuple. Now if we want to access any specific element using the index, what you can do is if you want to access any specific element within this tuple, what you can do is you can access that element using the index. So let's say I wanted to access a specific name. I can just say name, that's I'm creating a new variable and I'm calling it name. Name is equals to names, and in here I have to pass in the index position. So let's say I wanted to access Daniel. I will just pass in 1, and then what I can then do is I can come down and then print name. So let's see what that gives us. Now, once I run it, you see that we have Daniel getting printed out. So you see that this indexing concept cuts across not just strings, it cuts across strings, tuples, and lists. So you are going to be making use of indexing a lot when you're writing your programs. Now, what I will just do next is that I will show you how to access this entire list, which is an item in the tuple. So let's say I wanted to get their ages. I'll create a new variable and I'll call it ages is equals to names of, and what is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to pass 3 into this index and I'm going to print ages. Now, once I do that, I'm just going to click run. And then you can see that we have this list getting printed out 30, 56, and 73. So you can see now that we are able to access this entire list as one entity or as one element using the index. Now, since we have this entire list being stored in this ages variable, we can then decide to grab one specific item or one specific age from this list. So if I wanted to grab 56, for example, I know that the first item has an index of 0 and 56 is going to have an index of 1. So I can come here and I can print ages of 1. So once I run this program, you see that we have 56 being printed out to the screen. So that is exactly how we can access elements in a tuple using indexing.